Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. Open the base that you wish to connect to Salesforce. Next, navigate to the extensions menu on the top right. Select Airtable Marketplace from the drop-down options. In the Marketplace, search for the Salesforce extension. Once you find it, click on the extension to view its details. Click the Install button to add it to your Airtable base. Once installed, you will see the Salesforce extension in your extension panel. Click on the Salesforce extension to open it. You will be prompted to connect your Salesforce account. Select the Connect to Salesforce option. A new window will pop up for your Salesforce login credentials. Enter your Salesforce username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that process as well. After successfully logging in, you'll return to your Airtable extension. Now, you can configure your connection settings. Choose the Salesforce objects you wish to sync with Airtable. Map the Airtable fields to the corresponding Salesforce fields. Make sure to review the mapped fields for accuracy. Once everything is set, save your settings. You can now choose to sync data manually or set up automatic syncing. To manually sync, click the Sync Now button. For automatic syncing, set the desired frequency in the settings. Once the sync is complete, check the synced records for accuracy. You have now successfully connected Airtable to Salesforce. Explore the integration to enhance your workflow efficiency. Utilize the combined capabilities of both platforms for better data management. Continue to monitor the connection and adjust settings as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.